In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a table with color in Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're a beginner looking to make your documents more organized or a busy professional aiming for clearer reports, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, begin on your Google Docs home screen. Here you'll find a gallery of templates and a list of your recent documents. We will be using a document that already has a basic table created. Locate the file named Table under your recent documents and give it a single click to open it in the editor. Now that your document is open, you can see the unformatted table. To start adding color, you first need to access the formatting tools. Move your cursor into any cell within the table, in this case the top left cell, and perform a right click. This will open a context-sensitive menu with various options. Scan down this menu until you find Table Options, which is usually near the bottom. Click it to open the main formatting sidebar. With the Table Options sidebar now open on the right, you have access to detailed controls. Let's start by coloring a single cell. Since your cursor was already in the top left cell, it's pre-selected. In the sidebar, find and click on the color category to expand it. Underneath you'll see Cell Background Color. Click the paint bucket icon, and a color palette will appear. For this header cell, select a pale red color to make it stand out. Next, let's format an entire row at once. This is a useful way to visually group related data. Move your cursor to the left of the second row, click and drag across to highlight all the cells within it. You'll see the row turn blue, confirming your selection. Now, go back to the Cell Background Color tool in the sidebar. This time, choose a light gray to create a subtle contrast with the other rows. Notice how the color is applied to the entire selected row instantly. You can also change the background color of the entire table, which will override any previous formatting. First, you need to select all the cells. A simple way to do this is to click and drag from one corner of the table to the opposite corner until every cell is highlighted. Once the table is selected, return to the Cell Background Color option in the sidebar. For this demonstration, let's select a light blue for the entire table background. Beyond background colors, you can also customize the table's borders. Ensure the entire table is still selected. In the Table Options sidebar, locate the Table Border setting, which is just above the background color option. Click on its color swatch to open the palette. You can experiment with different colors. We'll first select orange to see how it looks, and then immediately switch to a nice blue for our final design. Click on the blue color swatch to apply it. To make the borders more or less prominent, you can adjust their thickness. Right next to the border color selector is a drop-down menu for border width, measured in points. The default is typically 1 point. Click on this drop-down to see a list of different sizes. For a bolder look, you could choose a higher number. For this design, we'll select 1 pt to keep the lines clean and simple, finalizing the table's appearance. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to fill a table with color in Google Docs, customize individual cells, entire rows, and even the table border. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.